Hands down, the very best way to get started building your playbook is by first identifying the roles, the teams, and all the other groups who do all the things in your business. We're going to do that here on the groups page. I'm going to create a brand new group here. So I'm going to click on create group. And you're going to see there's several different group types. There's role, there's team, there's department, there's location. There's even other where you can decide whatever that's going to be for you. I'm going to start with role, and that's actually where I recommend starting for you. Start with your roles. Think about a role like a job position, right? There's usually a pretty clear set of responsibilities associated with those job positions, and that's going to come in a little bit handy later on. So let's go ahead and click next. And now I'm going to go ahead and name this. This is going to be my customer support specialist. Okay? Customer support specialist. There are suggestions down here below. I can add others up here as well. If I need to, I can add multiple at a time. For now, I'm just going to stick with customer support specialist. And then I'll click create. Okay. Now, the very first thing you want to do when you create a brand new group is to give it a very clear description. You want everyone to know exactly what this group is and what it's all about. Now, if you need some help, see that little magic wand icon right there that says auto compose? Yeah, go ahead and click on that. And guess what? Trainual AI is going to compose a description for you. And you may look at that and go, wow, that is spot on, right? And I can try again if I want to, but I'm going to go ahead and click use this. And guess what? I can always go back in and edit this as I need to. Awesome stuff right there, okay? Next, we have responsibilities. Now, this is where you're going to list out the line item responsibilities for someone in this group. Think about this kind of like a job posting. You know, there's always that responsibilities section that has the bullet point list of you do this and you do that and you do this and this and that. That's what you want to do here. So you can list them out one at a time like this. And if you need suggestions, we've got those for you too. Click the button. And there we go. There's a few suggestions. I'll go ahead and select a few of those. Okay, now check this out. We have now just listed out the responsibilities for the customer support specialist. I now know the content that I need to create for this group. There it is, right there, right? Now think about this. If you do exactly what we've just done here for all the groups that you need in your account, you will have effectively mapped out all the content you need to create so that everyone knows how to do the jobs they've been given to do. Amazing, right? It gets even better from here because down below, this is where we will eventually add our team members who need to be part of this group. Up above, I'll click on content, and this is where we're going to add in the actual content that we've created for everyone in this group. And that means that when I give someone this customer support specialist group, they will be automatically assigned all of the content I've assigned to it. Wow, right? This is why groups is one of the most powerful tools in all of Trainual. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Now, if you really want to master Trainual, check out Trainual University in the link below.